Yak Back Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Back Pack. We have an octopus on today. Her name is Bubbles, and she's going to look under some bubbles to find our objects. And then we'll practice saying the objects together. Okay, Bubbles, what bubble should we look under? Okay, let's see what's under this bubble. Pop the bubble. This is a pig. A pig. The pig is pink. What is this? It is a pig. We found a pig. A pig. A pig lives on a farm. What is this? It is a pig. A pig. Okay, Bubbles, help us pop some more bubbles. Pop. Let's look under this. This is a panda. A panda is black and white. What is this? It is a panda. A panda. We found a panda. It's a panda finger puppet. This is a panda. A panda. Bubbles likes to play with the panda finger puppet. Okay, let's look under some more bubbles. This is a pineapple. This is a pineapple. A pineapple is a fruit. What is this? It is a pineapple. Bubbles likes to eat pineapple. Look at Bubbles eating the pineapple. Pineapple. Okay, let's see what else we can find, Bubbles. What's under this bubble? We found some pie. Pie. I like to eat pie. This is pie. Sometimes you eat pie at Thanksgiving. What is this? This is pie. Look at Bubbles eat the pie. Okay, Bubbles. Let's see what's under the last bubbles. We found a pony. This is a pony. It is fun to play with little ponies. What is this? It is a pony. It is a purple pony. A purple pony. We found a purple pony, some pie, a pineapple. We found a panda finger puppet, a pig. Bye-bye.
Yak Back Pack. Yak Back Pack.